everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another unboxing for you guys. Since the last one I looked online for more subscription boxes and I found that Glossybox comes to Ireland, so I subscribed to them and now they've sent me the box. So if you want to see what's in the box, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is the box itself. It's pretty simple, like a pinkish color, and I do have in here, and they did send me a £40 discount for HelloFresh. I'll put the code in the description box because I'm not going to use that, so maybe one of you guys will want to use it. And now let's see what's in the box. So here's how it comes. In here you have a little edit. Let's open the box. So here's the little edit. It comes the same like the fantastic one with wrapping sheet. And here are the products. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here, and I'm going to go through them and look in the beauty aided as well to see what it says about them. So the first one I have in here is a Bellapierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream in Muddy Rose. I think it's mine. So it's this one in here. Let's open it up. Here is how it looks. I will swatch it. Here is the swatch. It's a really gorgeous brownish color. It's like a mauvey brown color. Feel like a goddess with one of Bellapierre's full coverage high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the color payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch-up. Starting as a modest mineral-based company, Bellapierre has since evolved into an on-trend brand with some of the hottest products on the market. Passion and determination really do pay off. So this is a full-size product and it costs around £20. So yeah, really happy with this. It's a good color. Next we have a by B Plumper Lip Balm. It's this one in here. I'm not a really huge fan of lip plumpers. I don't like that stingy stuff. So this comes in how many mils? 10 mils. So it might be, yeah, it is a full size as well. The By B Plumper Lip Balm, boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape. 100% natural, vegan and cruelty-free, By B was founded by two determined best friends. Their iconic eco tubes are made from sugarcane and 100% biodegradable and recyclable. This costs £9 and it is a full-size product. So yeah, I might give it a try, but if it stinks too bad, I'm not going to like it. Next we have a Lolita Cosmetics Dew Pot. This one in here. I've never tried the product from them. So here is how it looks. Mine is in the shade Utopia, and this is how it looks. Doesn't smell like anything, but it does have that duochrome shade to it. It's like a gold pink duochrome. And let's see what it says in here in the little book. So, Lolita Cosmetics Dew Pot. This smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra-fine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones, and cupid's bow for a rosy lift from within glow. Born out of a desire for more, Lolita Cosmetics is a cruelty-free and vegan-friendly brand that gives you more options, more transparency, and more positivity. This is a full size and it costs £15.30. So yeah, not bad. Next we have an Essence product, and it is a setting spray. It's the Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. Let's see how is this sprayed. It did came a bit like, I'll try it on my face to see how it goes. It is like, I don't know if you can actually see that, but that's how it comes out of the bottle. So it's a bit, the spritz is a bit blotchy. I don't know how to call it, but I am going to keep trying this one and see what's the deal with it, but it did came like with really big blushes. Let's see what it says in here. This illuminating setting spray not only stops your makeup from smudging, but it boasts fine light reflecting particles that will give you a glowing complexion in seconds. Spray it 30 centimeters from your face for a confidence boosting shimmer that lasts all day. Essence was founded 17 years ago by Christina, a fearless and entrepreneurial woman who wanted to create a fun, great quality and affordable beauty brand with a difference. It is a full size and it costs £3.30. So yeah. And last but not least, we have a Toni Guy illuminating hair perfume. Doesn't sound bad. I want to see how it smells. It does have a fresh smell. I've never tried a hair perfume. I've never tried a hair perfume before. So let's see. Your hair is the crown you wear every day, so keep it looking and smelling fabulous with this iconic hair perfume. Its unique blend of zesty and citrus floral adds a long-lasting fragrance and shine to your looks. Tony Mascolo and his brother Guy started Toni Guy in 1963 with a single London-based salon. Since then, this small family-run business has expanded into a multi-award winning global company. This is a handbag size and it costs £8. So this is the Glossybox this month. I will try these products, and if you want me to do a review for them, just let me know and I'll try to do that for you. So yeah, if you enjoyed this one, I'll leave all the details about this box in the description box. And yeah, it is a pretty good box this month. I am happy with what we've got in here. We do have 4 full-size products and 1 handbag size product, which is not bad. I'm a little disappointed about the Essence setting spray. The way it applies, it's a bit but yeah, I will try the rest of them and let you know my thoughts if you want me to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.